CLUBTA ngasi Organizing Committee di Okram Sangei Apokpa Trust THOUBAL TABA na Sinduna 21st Prize Distribution Function Pangthokhre Thoramasi State and Okram Sangei Level Meritorious Student of SSLC and Higher Secondary Examination Manipur Class 11-12 CBSE Examination 2025 kapunna Best Sport Person in the discipline of fencing, hockey and football amadi Financial Assistant to the Improvised Necestus all Okram Ningol, oldest Okram Piba and Ningol and all women registered vendor of Imakaitel Kwaramban Bazar Manamatum Yentopi Thoram Pangthokhre Thoramaduda and Pravin Singh IAS Secretary Yes and ED at Education as Dr. Okram Kumar Singh retired Principal JM College of Commerce Okram Sudes President Okram Sangei Apokpa Trust THOUBAL TABA Athoiba mitungnen oina saruyaki thoram adugi makha tarakpada and Pravinna phongdorakpada lairik tamlamdaida amadi darkar leiba ihei tamba matamda mama mapadagi natruga sel thumgi awaba leiraba maduda mayukna aduna tawni khankiba miyoi sing adutani ngasi world side da fauriba miyoi sing se haina phongdorakli
adu mating panana Especially the Sigumba, Madu situation Mambo, Madu the struggle tower, Maran, Ningi Madu, Tony have told you see words of calling. And the Sigi can see Manipur lady for all the problem ma'ams, and to not be an excuse. Imungi Waba, Imungi Pesawaba, Labi Putava, sinners to not be this. These are Sigi difficulties, ma'am say, and the difficulties, ma'am, in the right spirit, these difficulties are there in order to make you a stronger person. Adana, come out, give your best, become a stronger person, at the same time, be a good human being.